everybody, it's Pixel, and today I'm going to be making this 5-ingredient chicken dish for dinner. It's going to need 3 to 4 pieces of chicken breast, a can of condensed cream chicken soup, 4 pieces of Swiss cheese, about 2 cups of our chicken broth, chicken flavored stuffing, and a slow cooker. Pretty easy, so let's go. Alright, after we layer the chicken in the crock pot, our next step is to mix together the broth and a can of chicken soup. And after that, you will want to pour it over the chicken. Then want to layer in the cheese. Last but not least, this is going to be covered and go on low for the next 4 to 5 hours. Alrighty, 4 hours later, it should look like this, and I'm going to turn it on to warm and start dishing some out. Alright, time to try this on out. I'm going to get a piece of our chicken and the stuffing. Here we go. It ended up really flavorful, and I like that it was just easy to throw together and ends up being a nice, wholesome little main dish for your meal. I'm going to be having some with some peas and carrots tonight, and you could pair it with anything. It also would make a really good Cheater's little holiday dish if you're really not going to celebrate or only have you. So, you know what to do. If you like what you saw, don't like what you saw, leave me a like, leave me a comment about it, and I will see you in our next video.